After every deployment, how do you know if your app just got slower? A performance baseline is a snapshot of your system's key metrics captured under normal, representative conditions. Think of it as your application's performance fingerprint, a reference point that defines how fast things run today under typical load. Without a baseline, you have no frame of reference to judge whether performance is acceptable or whether something has regressed. What exactly do you measure? The most common metrics include response time, meaning how long individual requests take to complete, throughput, requests per second, CPU and memory usage, and error rates. Together, these give you a complete picture of system health under normal conditions. Here's where baselines earn their value. Once established, every future measurement is compared against it. Did response times jump 30% after that deployment? Your baseline catches it. Is memory usage slowly creeping upward? Your baseline reveals the trend. This comparison is how you detect performance regressions and anomalies before your users ever feel the impact. 2 things to keep in mind. Always capture your baseline under normal, representative load, not during a traffic spike or when servers are idle. And re-establish your baseline after major changes like new deployments or infrastructure upgrades, so your reference point stays current and meaningful. A performance baseline is your reference snapshot for catching regressions early. Like what you're seeing? Subscribe for more testing fundamentals. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.